Welcome to Eventful Endeavors, secrets to crafting the perfect celebration. If you're planning an event and looking for useful tips from industry experts, you're in the right place. So get ready to take some notes and we'll dive right in. This is Eventful Endeavors.
Hello, this is Kathleen from Felix and Fingers and Eventful Endeavors. I'm so excited because I have Jillian Leach here today. She is the venue manager at Rock Island Lake Club in Sparta, New Jersey. How exciting. She has a beautiful bio that I am pulling up because it went away from my screen, but now we have it. I want to make sure I get all of her many accomplishments. Here we go. Yes. In her 15 years in the hospitality industry, she graduated from Johnson & Wales University with degrees in baking and pastry arts. I need to know more about that, as well as entertainment and an event manager. Her career journey has taken her from behind the scenes to the forefront, and now she proudly holds the position of venue manager. She's been a part of the Rock Island Lake Club for just over 4 years. In addition to her role as the venue manager, she also serves as maitre d'. She has personally coordinated over 400 weddings. Oh my gosh. She's a proud dog mom and tequila lover. Same, only on the tequila. Unfortunately, I don't have a dog.
That's
Deep
okay.
appreciation for all things vintage. Her passion for interior design greatly benefits her efforts in creating and decorating their food stations for weddings, and being a part of the wedding industry brings her immense joy, and she cherishes the opportunity to contribute to couples' special moments and help craft lasting memories. How cool. So you are like
Yes,
a wedding expert.
sort
I
of.
think so. So yeah, so in your 400 and over weddings, have you ever had a vendor not show up?
Yes, actually, last year I had a DJ not show up, and it was not until maybe like a half hour before ceremony we realized that he wasn't here yet, and he wasn't answering our phone calls or the couple's phone calls. And crisis kind of broke out and panic and everyone, and we decided to reach out to all of like the DJs that we're friends with to see if anyone was available that could come and help us. We ended up finding someone. They came and did reception, but for ceremony, we kind of just had to wing it and use a speaker and whatever music was on someone's phone. But it all worked
Speaker
out.
and a dream. Oh my gosh. That makes me so nervous.
Mhm.
Like every time, because stuff happens. There's weather, there's traffic, there's
Yeah.
this, there's that. But it's
Mhm.
not just, for a lot of people's jobs, if you have to call in sick, you have to call in sick. No big deal. Like, you'll catch up on your email the next day. This is someone's biggest day and stuff
Yes.
can't go wrong. But good
No,
for you guys for figuring it out. And also to find people last minute is so complicated too. So
it is. And it was a Saturday. So
like,
it's like, who's available last minute?
yeah, it's hard to find people far in advance on a Saturday. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. What's one of the most bizarre requests you've ever got?
Well, okay, so I had a groom request to come in on our paddle boat. So we're on a lake and we do have a paddle boat that we use to like bring the groomsmen around to like fish and stuff. But he wanted a grand entrance. So we paddled him up onto the beach and he jumped off the boat and like threw a flag in and like walked his way over.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Yep.
That is so amazing. My husband always says he hates how the grooms have to just shuffle out of a broom closet.
I know. They don't get their moment. And he got his.
Sort of shuffle out there. And so he wanted to have his own grand entrance too.
Yep.
He didn't get on a paddle boat.
He
didn't have
did.
his flag. There was no water involved, but he did make an entrance. That's amazing. Honestly, congratulations to that friend. Let's see.
Yeah.
Any wedding trends you wish would just go away?
So obviously a lot of people I probably feel the same way about this, but the garter and the bouquet toss, just not really it for me anymore.
Sure.
I did it at my own wedding, but I feel like it's just kind of faded out now. I do really love a good bouquet dedication though. I feel like that is just so special and it seems to be like replacing the bouquet toss.
What's a bouquet dedication?
So
I've
I like
never
that
seen
now.
one of those.
But the bride will like do a speech, usually like right after dinner or like after cake cutting, where she dedicates her bouquet usually to her mom, because the moms usually don't get like a cute little shout out. It's usually about the dads and the bride and the groom. And so they'll dedicate their bouquet to their mom, which is so sweet.
That is the sweetest thing I ever heard. Oh my goodness. Amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, you learn something new that every day when you talk to someone who's done 400 weddings.
Mhm.
What's a trend that you're loving right now?
So personally, there's this new trend that we have, and I don't know if it's at every venue, but at Rock Island, it seems to be a new thing. People are bringing tattoo artists in, and they're getting tattooed during their wedding receptions.
Oh my God.
And I think it's the funniest and coolest thing. It's very unique. And some of the flash like things that they do, I mean, obviously, like you can get the bridegroom's last name if you feel that way, or their wedding date, but they also have like some cute little ones on there too. And I actually got one. I have a little clover that I got.
It's amazing.
Yeah. So I'll forever always remember that.
Wow. Like I've seen, the live paintings are really cool. I've seen,
Yeah.
I love it when people have photographers there that take like portraits of their guests so that they can use that for a Christmas card or
Yes.
whatever.
Those are
Like I've
cute
seen
too.
that. It's of course all the
Yeah.
photo booths with the props. Like I've seen that. A
Yeah.
tattooist is new for me. I've never seen that. I've only seen
It
it
is.
on like Real Housewives parties, never at a wedding. That is amazing.
Yeah. We have another one coming up this year. So I think it's like our third one.
Okay, like 1 is crazy, but 3 is really
Yeah. It's definitely becoming a new
that
trend.
is so insane. I love it. I love it. Like, why not?
Yeah.
Especially if you're touching
Me too.
it.
I know, right?
All right.
Yeah. It's just something completely different.
Totally. Amazing. So let's see. Rock Island Lake Club. So obviously you're on a lake because it is a lake club.
Mhm.
And you have beautiful duh. Has
Mhm.
anyone ever come close to falling in that water?
No,
Okay.
but it does run through my mind a lot. It is a small dock, and we do a lot of bridal party photos on there, which sometimes can be 25 people on that dock, and it gets a little nerve-wracking, yeah.
My goodness. And I assume also they're there for the ceremony and not necessarily there after we've had some cocktails. It's a little before.
Usually before, but people wander out there all night because we have a big bonfire right by the lake.
My
So,
goodness.
we have a lot of people out there making sure no one goes for a little night swim.
Well, that's good. Safety first. Safety first.
Yeah.
Well, and you also offer a program called Vow and Vision. Can you tell me a little bit about what that is?
Yeah, so that's actually our planning hub on our website for all of our couples to go in. They get a password and they can enter in there. And with it, we have like our booking guide, our welcome guide. It has our in-house decor, floor plans. It's just like a big hub where they can go and get more information in there. And it leads them to the forms to fill out for our wedding details.
Great. I mean, yeah, because our brides and grooms, they can use as much. Well, there's so many details to
All the information they can get.
there's so much to keep track of. So that's amazing that Rock Island has
Yeah.
that offering. That's amazing. So you have a background as pastry chef, which is so cool.
I do.
It's amazing. Takes a lot of patience, a lot of skill.
Yes.
Is there and Rock Island offers in-house catering, correct?
We do in-house catering. We don't make our own wedding cakes. Those you get from 2 bakeries that we work.
Amazing. Is there a favorite thing? Do you have
Yeah.
a favorite thing on your catering menu?
So we do during cocktail hour, we offer 3 live stations, which are just like really big stations dressed and paired to a theme. And I would definitely have to say, Don't Go Bake in My Heart and Hibachi are like my 2 favorite stations that we offer.
You have a hibachi?
Yep.
Amazing. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's really cool. And they put like a show on, so it's not just
Yeah.
like someone serving it, like they're actually there making it in front of you.
Wow. Yeah. Not just a boring cheese tray over there. We're doing a show. A grill. Although now we've got a lake. We've got a live grill. We've got a bonfire. A lot of safety. A lot of safety to keep track of. You guys
Yeah.
seem to have done
Yeah.
a really good job. Awesome. So I
Yeah.
am newer to New Jersey. I've only lived here for 2 years. And I'm wondering, are there any like wedding trends that are specific to Jersey or anything?
I don't think so, no. We do a lot of, I would say we're like non-traditional. So we do a lot of weddings right on our property at the beach. We don't really have too many off-site ceremonies, but I don't really think there's specifically a New Jersey tradition. Not that I'm aware of, at least.
Tattoos.
Yes, just tattoos.
Well, I'm sure someone's doing that anywhere. All the Nice. So yeah, so beautiful. I'm trying to think if there's any other questions I have about your beautiful property there. Do you do a mix of indoor and outdoor for the weddings, for different events, that sort of thing? Do you do ceremony outside and then reception inside? Do you ever do them all outside?
So it's kind of inside outside. So ceremony is always outside on the beach. And then they come in and we have a cocktail hour that has like big garage doors. They open if the weather permits, obviously. So you get that indoor outdoor feel. But of course, there's tables and chairs along the lake that you can hang out with. And then the servers will go out and serve food. And then come reception time, we go upstairs to the reception level. And up there, we also have big open doors so you can go out onto the deck. So everything kind of still is that indoor outdoor feel, even though you are inside for a portion of it.
Amazing. And you have the beautiful
Yeah.
views of the lake, and must be so peaceful.
Yeah, you can see the lake at all times when you're upstairs. It's really pretty.
So peaceful. Yeah, I feel like America has gotten, this is technically a lake, so I guess it's not technically the Jersey Shore. But upon moving here, we all have had a bad representation of the Jersey Shore from a certain TV program. And upon moving here, I didn't realize, one, that it's not just like one little party area. It's a whole vast. There's so much water in New Jersey.
Yes.
There's so many beautiful places to have waterside, this beautiful views.
Yeah, there's so many hidden areas of New Jersey that you wouldn't really even know about. Same thing when I first moved here. I had no idea that this this venue was even here. I had no idea.
So many little hidden gems like that where you all of a sudden are in your, an hour or two from the city, from a giant metropolis, but you also can be on this beautiful, peaceful lake with a bonfire and all your best friends and family. And
it's like a little hidden gem.
Amazing. Let's see. Oh, and when someone books a wedding at Rock Island Lake, do they work with someone like you, day up? What happens with a...
So it works in a few different ways. When you come to Rock Island Lake Club for a tour, you'll work with one of the sales girls or the coordinators. We have 3 of them. They'll meet with you. They'll do their tour. And usually the girl that you meet with, if you decide to book, that's who you're going to work with. And then I'm there the night of, along with my assistant and the whole floor staff.
So you have plenty of people to stop any paddleboard emergency. Make sure the DJ is there. You're going to put the headphones on it. Good to know. Awesome. Well, it was so wonderful talking to you.
You too.
We will be at a wedding at Rock Island very soon. I won't be getting a tattoo, unfortunately.
Yes, I hope to see you.
That sounds good.
Thanks for listening to another episode of Eventful Endeavors, Secrets to Crafting the Perfect Celebration. We hope to have left you with some actionable ideas for your own event. If you like the show, please subscribe and definitely leave us a review. We read every comment. So until next time, happy planning and see you soon on Eventful Endeavors.